44. Here we go. It's been a year. A whole year of family meals. Love seeing your guys' favorites. Hey, be careful with the knife, remember. So yeah, any of your favorites out there that you guys are posting, we're going to take those to heart. We're going to put out a cool little series of the favorites coming up here in the next weeks. But Basement Bar is opening up in April, so that's exciting. We get you guys in the restaurant itself, but you know, Pig's rocking and rolling. But we're going to cook a Mexican meal tonight. And this is honestly like, you know how things get better and better as they go? This is one of my favorite Mexican meals that I've ever had. So, here's it. We're going to hide this over here. We don't want them to see that right now because they just go crazy about sweets. But we got the rice and the shrimp together. I'm going to cook that in this pan. Salsa. And then you're going to have your enchiladas. These are going to go right into the oven. I always like to save the lids in case you don't eat them all. But there's cheese for this. We're going to add it to it later. 375 convection. So we got the cheese for that and a little bit of sour cream as well. We have our beans, our cheesy refried beans. We're going to actually zap that. You guys can heat it in a pot if you don't like to zap things. But I like to, easiest way for me to heat up beans is in the microwave. So our little Jamaica, sorry. We have here is we put our yuca fries, the 2 sauces for the yuca fries. We put in there. And then we put our chips in here as well, which I'm going to just put those in a bowl. Whoa, nice cutting work there, guys. You guys can cut bananas better than anyone I know. Can I try one? Oh, thanks, Jules. I have one? Here. Feed me. You missed.
I was almost full.
That was actually pretty good. That might have been my fault. Spread out your yuccas. They've been pre-fried and pre-seasoned. Yeah. You want to try one of those chips? Sure, of course. Pop it in the oven. There's only one like in a pan cooking situation here, and it is this rice. So we have this rice that we cooked up that's nice and wonderfully seasoned, and then inside of this little deli here is your shrimp. It's labeled. It's all spiced up and ready to go. With that, I'm going to sear this off in a pan. Non-stick is what is best, especially with rice. Put a good amount of oil in there. You can throw a little butter in there if you want. Let you do it. You know, I thought this banana thing was going to be a bad thing, but it actually ended up kind of being a good thing for me. You want more banana? Yeah. All right. Javi can show you how he cuts. You guys can enjoy your bananas. Yeah?
I cut it.
You're going to cut. Hey. Here's yours. You get butter knives. You're little. Did I get you?
Hey.
That was a hot oil. Sorry about that. Jesus. Well, try not to burn your children while you're doing this. Yeah, it was a hot oil. I'm going to move it over to the right here. See a little bit of color on there? Really simple pickup. A little bit of salt. Might as well throw a little fresh cracked pepper on there. And here's something. So, once I get it to this point, it's nice and hot. Hit it with a little bit of water, and all that water is going to do, it's just going to, and we're talking just like a little hit, just a little hit. It's just going to give you a little bit of moisture there, and it kind of just steams the rice out. So, and at this point, you're already cooked out when it comes to your shrimps. We did give you a little bag of herbs. Look at them here. You get a little crispiness on there, that's fine too. I got it on super low over here. Pretty much there. So, what I do is I just rake the leaves off the oregano. I kind of just leave the top, and I'm going to chop it up anyway. So, pick your herbs. Just going to run our knife through these. Notice I'm like just huddled up in the corner over here. Just trying to get away from these children sometimes. I don't know if any of you can relate to that, but definitely the stage of life that I'm in right now is 4-year-old, 2-year-old stage. Pretty hostile. Everything okay over there now? Seemed like Now come on back. See that? A little bit of crispiness there. By the way, this rice is awesome.
Oh no, wait! The weekend!
You want Blinding Lights by the Weekend?
Yeah!
Alexa, the... That's not that song! Chop your herbs up and basically this is going to go on anything you want to have the flavor of oregano and cilantro, which for me is the rice and the enchiladas. Nice thing to have at home, little hand pass. Just kind of helps you, it's basically a bowl scraper. Helps you kind of control things. So we're going to get to controlling this in just a little bit. You guys know this song? All right, so I pulled it out. You see it's steaming hot. We're putting cheese on it. You know how to do that? Best way? Plop it on there. This is Oaxaca cheese that's been shredded. Pop it back in the oven. So 10 to 15 minutes to heat it all the way through, and then put your cheese on there at the end so it doesn't like get burnt. And then you just want this cheese to get all melty and good. These are ready. These are really good too. We'll start heating up our beans. Woo! Yuca fries. These are my favorites, and they are delicious, and they go great with the salsa and that bean dip we have ready. And that's just a little bit of sour cream on the side there. Pretty simple here. Going about half and half, roughly. Delish. Throw a little vodka in there if you like it. Or tequila. All right, you want to put it on there? Or put it on there. Ready?
Yep.
Put it on there. No, get it. Get it.
Okay.
Be gentle. Good job. All right. Good job on the cake.
Can we eat it?
Enchiladas and the beans. Ooh, that's hot. That's good. I like to leave it in there because it's a dipper. All right.
Daddy, you're the boss. Hey,
Look at that.
no.
What's wrong? You don't like that? If you get your spoon wet, it comes off easier. Jay-Z, can you help? Oh no, Jay-Z, come on, help, help, help. We got stuff. We got stuff happening here. She is ready. Molten lava. Not doing it. It's not happening. It's not happening. Let's try to be brave. No one brave enough to do that. Gotta blow on it. Go for it again. All right. It's hot, but it's good. It's so good. You guys ready to eat? It's really good. Let's do this. We did it. Man, you guys are getting easier and easier to work with. I feel like your training has gone really well. I feel like you're getting better every week, you know? That's the goal with your young chefs. But this is fantastic, the enchilada. You got your salsa, lots of it, whole cup of it. Yuca fries, which he's getting into right now. The two dipping sauces. This is a smoked jalapeno vinegar, and this is a seasoned lime crema. You can use that for dip for anything. Cheesy refried beans, the shrimp rice and chips, and of course the wonderful brownie. What? Here, you want some cake? You want a little cake? Huh? Open up. Anyways, Guys, enjoy this meal. Like I said, this is one of my favorites we've ever made. And we're coming back with you next week for some more family meal. Number 45. Guys, can we eat some other food too? All right, good to know. Now they're going to go crazy.